Video 23, Layout Editor. In the previous lesson, we completed the presentation regarding rebars and rebars report. And today's lesson, I will help you set up in Layout Editor to prepare for printing the drawings. Similar to AutoCAD, Allplan also performs rendering and presentation in separate environments, and prints another environment, that's Layout Editor. One, Setup page. You will select paper size, for example A1, 841, 594 and paper orientation. Click here to not display the paper margins. Properties helps us choose the page border style, including outer border, inner border and miscellaneous. Also, we can choose the available title block template. You choose Label and choose an existing title block type and place as desired here, right, bottom. And of course, you can design it to your any requirements, and I will share this in a video later. You should delete these texts. Two, Setup border. You will select the required paper size, set inner border, outer border and put there. The purpose of this is to help arrange the components into the drawing frame more accurately. You create and cut Ctrl X, this border. Then go to the relevant drawing file to paste and scale up with a suitable scale factor. This example is 50. And note that select construction line for this so that when the border is printed will no longer be seen. I prepared the drawing border and put the components in it. Open window to resize different parts to the same display scale when printing. You choose to create views, section, detailing. Select the detailing and select Open Window or the shortcut you have set. You will now turn to the drawing scale. Use the command to scan the area to change the aspect scale. In this section, we enter the zoom factor for 2 directions. You let the main scale divided by each operation 1. For example, if you want to bring the ratio 120 to 150, you can divide 50 by 20 in both directions. Select Change Views, section, Detailings. Select Detailing and choose how the feature moves and changes the window range. For example, you can resize, move, or delete. Have you changed accordingly as I presented for 2 drawings here? Four, Layout element. After you're done, return to Layout Editor. You just need to click on Layout element to address the related drawing. For example, we just need to select this cross section. And you must ensure the following parameters. Scale, layer will display and type of drawing. And then use the layout window function and select this third option to narrow the view. If you want to edit one more time, choose Modify Layout Window. Choose the fourth option. Click the Layout window and select the area you want to cut. After setup, click OK and move the layout window to the correct paper size. Finish. And we have set up drawing in Layout Editor before printing. In the next lesson, I will introduce another method which also helps us to set up before printing through Print Window Contents.